Today we're going to learn how to solo using just 3 notes from the A minor pentatonic. Those notes are A, C and E. Okay, those are the 3 notes, the first, the minor third and the perfect fifth of that scale. If we look at this pattern of the 4th string, 5, 7, and then on the G string, the 3rd string, 5, 7, 9, that's a nice simple 5-note shape that we're going to use. And they are the notes, all the notes of the A minor pentatonic. We're just starting them on the G instead of the A. So we've got G, A, C, D, E, okay? So we're going to just target that A note, that C note, and that E note over a backing track, and you'll see how simple it is to kind of make something that just sounds nice when you aim to land on those 3 notes. The other 2 notes are useful for filling in and leading you into one of those 3 notes, which are the money notes, as we call them. They're the chord tones, really, which will work brilliantly over a track in the key of A minor, like this one here. So hopefully this will give you a little bit of an insight of to how they sound. Hopefully no mistakes. So I'm on to the A now. C. The E. C. Resolving onto the A. So I can play any of those 5 notes. Now this backing track that I've put a link into as well as the previous video, all the chords are built from the A natural minor scale. So these notes will work over the whole shebang. They will work over every chord change on that. So you're in a great place. So put this track on, jam along to it, play that tonic note, the A, play that minor third, the C, and play the perfect 5th interval of it, and you'll find that if you land on those notes, you're going to sound great. You're in the sweet spot, and it makes you sound a lot more professional and slick. And then what I'm probably going to do with the next video is look at something along the lines of adding slides and bends and hammer-ons and pull-offs. We'll do a little bit more of a deeper dive into that sort of stuff. But if you're a new guitar player and you want to just solo, put a little bit of crunch on your amp, not loads of distortion, we don't need it. If you notice that, it just sounds nice and kind of controlled, and have a little play, you know, and target those. Target those notes for me and let me know how your cool soloing is going on in the description below, in the comments. Send me a comment, give me a thumbs up and a like and a share. It really makes my day. And I'll see you very soon with some more cool rock guitar tips and licks and phrases from me in Arena Studio.